nathi siyacathula khona seku 1.2 million njengamanje wabalaleli sithi ke thina sikuthatha njengento engeluthweleyo kwamanqampunqampu indaba kaHabhasa siyazi lasibheke khona ukuthi abanye banana asinani inkinga kodwa thina sikhuluma ngo-4th industrial revolution sithi is the people who can afford silalela thina izalukwazi zifuna ukuthi izalukwazi zifuna ukuthi kuholwa nini indaba khasitalela ukuthi nawo lo mfana lensizwa nje insizwa lena nayo ungedala uzoza uhlelo layo lapha kwi-online yethu izobe ingxenye yethu futhi ke insizwa lapha Mehlemamba yebo sibe sinayo lapha na station izulu sakhe lensizwa nje isiqale 3 years ago ngendlela passionate ngayo kodwa njengamanje look at him uyakwazi ukuthi aqhubeke nempilo yonke into yakhe iqonde ukusuka phambili
bafowethu ngiyabonga kakhulu ake nisitshelele ababukele emakhaya ukuthi mabasubscribe ku Select Africa TV bekwazi ukusilandela yonke into ibe right bafowethu ake nisitshelele bona
Select Africa TV, please subscribe to Select Africa TV. This is a new brand, the new television channel. So therefore, it's important that you use the opportunity of the 4th Industrial Revolution. These are young gentlemen who have a vision about African content and African continent. Oh, the punchline.
Siyabonga bafowethu Select Africa TV siyanithanda bafowethu.
Mana mina ngiyaqala uMehlemamba isingisi siyavukana.
Mehlemamba isingisi.
Ngoba usiqilela ngesizulu nje.
Siyavuka manje. Umacingwane yakhuluma isingisi. Ngisho ngithi you use your data to go to Select Africa TV and subscribe khona lapho.
Khona lapho bafethu siyanithanda kakhulu Select Africa TV igama lami ngokwazi nguThobisani ngwakamthembu ihora lenjabulo siyanithanda kakhulu bafethu mncwa